Hello and welcome back. Um, so last time we left off till this point, multiprocessing concurrent futures contributed by Victor Steiner and GH109649. And now continuing it, we're going to learn about os.path.realpath now resolves MS-DOS style file names even if the file is not accessible, contributed by Music Park and GH82367. And I've already opened this over here. The os.path.realpath function in Python is used to get the canonical path of a specified file name by resolving any symbolic links or relative path components. So now you understand that it is used to get the canonical path, alright, of a specified file name. The recent enhancement contributed by Moonsick Park and GH82367, 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 just confirming that it's the same contribution, allows os.path.realpath to resolve MS-DOS style file names even if the file is not accessible. This means that even if the file is not directly accessible due to permissions or other restrictions, os.path.realpath will still attempt to resolve the path. Here is an example code snippet to demonstrate this behavior. Now look, if I try to run this code, okay, this is the wrong window. Here it is. Let me just paste it over here. Is it going to work? Wow, it runs. Canonical path. Nice. Very nice. So you see, what I was trying to do is, I was trying to do this. Look, I tried to copy the path of this file and paste it. So basically what this code is going to do is going to get the canonical path, right? Because that's what we're studying. Over here you can see that we're studying about the os.path.realpath. So it's used to get the canonical path. So this is just an example path, right? I don't want to use this. What I want to do is I want to paste the original path, so a real path. So what I did was I went to my own file on my computer, which is this file. I copied its path and pasted it into this. But if I try to run this, you see, it's going to give me an error, Unicode escape codec can't decode bytes in position 2-3, truncated, UXXX escape. So what the problem right here is with the path. You see this path? There is a bit of a problem with this. And how do we fix this? Look. The error is caused by the use of backslashes in the file path, which are interpreted as escape characters in Python. To fix this, you can either use forward slashes instead or escape the backslashes with another backslash. So here is the corrected code snippet using forward slashes. If I try to put this, if I run this, I think it's going to run. Yes, it does. So what it did was, these were the backslashes, and then we changed them into forward slashes. And then if we try to run this, you see it runs. This is a canonical path. It's giving us the canonical path. It works. And you can also use this code snippet. These are with double backslashes, and they look wonderful as well. If I run this, it's working as well. It's giving me the canonical path as well. So these are with the double backslash. So what we did was import OS, and then we defined an MS-DOS style file path using escape. Yeah, we're using these double backslashes, right? Whatever you call them. These are, I'm just calling them double backslashes. Right, so attempt to get the canonical path using os.path.realpath. This is how we use it. Try canonical path is equal to os.path.realpath file path. And then we're going to print the canonical path. All right, this was the canonical path. Let me see. Let's try to write this code ourselves because we're going to learn. So we're just going to import os, right, and then file path is equal to, yeah, let me just copy the file path. All right. All right, so now we're going to try to get the canonical path. Don't forget this column, canonical path. All right, what's that path, a real path? Okay, and file path. Let's add the file path. Now we're going to print the canonical path. Alright, let's add a comma over here. Canonical path. Alright, so far so good, and now we're going to add the except. Exception is E, okay. Print error resolving path. So add a comma and then E, okay. What is this? That's weird. Oh, it's exception, okay. I forgot the E. So let's see if it runs. Wow, it runs. So this was the file, untitled1, and it is obviously, it's giving me the canonical path, so the code works. So I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned a lot. This was it. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. So today we only studied os.path.real path, and it was really fun to study. Alright, have a very nice day, and I hope you get all the good things in life, and I hope you live a happy life, and good day. See you later.